From the Iris homepage, click on My Workspace, then select Enter to start a new item. If you would like to create your item within a specific collection, enter the name of the collection in the search field, then select it. Next, click on Publication to access the submission form. In this form, start by entering the DOI or PMID of your publication in the dedicated field. Iris will then automatically link the data. However, you must move your cursor away from the DOI or PMID field and click elsewhere for the metadata to load. Make sure to fill in all the required fields, marked with an asterisk. Once this is done, you will need to link people and units. This step associates the publication with your researcher profile, your co-authors, and the relevant research unit. By default in Iris, the person entering a record cannot edit it. Editing rights are granted only to the people linked to the record. Please ensure that all relevant persons are properly linked. To do this, scroll down to the appropriate section. Then click on Add. Type the name of the person, select them, and repeat the same step for the units. After completing the necessary fields, the system will display a list of potential duplicates. For each suggestion, click It's a duplicate or It's not a duplicate, as appropriate. To finalize your submission, you must approve the license, then click Save or Save and Quit to save your entry, or Publish to directly proceed with publication. If you publish your entry, you can view its metadata by returning to your workspace, then clicking View below the title of your publication. To display all metadata, click on the three dots icon. Then select Show All Metadata. You will then access a detailed page containing all metadata related to the item.